Digga, was rockst du eigentlich für einen wilden Style momentan?
Baggy pants. Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So I am still on Gran Canaria and I have a great time here. Maybe you've wondered what this and this is. Well, unfortunately I fell quite badly when I was skating, but a few stitches and everything's back to normal. Yeah, this time I told you I will show you my time in Portugal. Back in Portugal I've spent most of my time there in Baleal on the van parking, the VP, and there we had a great time. We did some skimboarding, we did a lot of surfing, skating. There was even one guy who had a trampoline in his RV, so we could jump a bit on his trampoline. And in the evening there were also fire shows, or let's say like just people were juggling with fire, and I also could try it out and it was quite funny. And yeah, later on we went to Ericeira. Unfortunately, after a really nice skate session I got sick for a couple days. Thanks a lot to Nicky and his van. It was kind of a hospital because I was also not the only sick person. Didn't have COVID though, just to say. And later we went on to the Algarve. There I also had to split up with Nicky because he went back to Switzerland and I moved to Portugal to some friends from last year. Thank you so much for 2 weeks in a normal bed. That was quite nice. It was quite chilled there because the waves were not too good, so I didn't make really any videos. But from the rest of the time I spent this year in Portugal, the video starts now. Well, I had this year again a really good time in Portugal, especially on the van parking in Baleal. I just love this place. The people there are really cool and you make so quickly new friends. And yeah, next time I show you my first adventure here on the Canarys, the hiking tour over La Gomera. So until next time, bye guys.
Oh, Alter, richtig gut!